Dispatch.
Hey, calling about your truck in Los Angeles.
Yes, what do you have, sir?
Can you do multiple pickups?
Multiple, how many?
4 pickups?
Well, how many drops?
It's pickup in Oxnard,
Mm-hmm.
California. Then it's picking up in Arvin.
Mm-hmm.
Or no, then it's picking up in Santa Paula, and then Arvin, and then Bakersfield.
And where is this load going?
Bartlett, Illinois.
Bartlett, Illinois. Is it going to the fresh produce there?
What was that? Sorry, you
Who is the receiver in Bartlett?
it's Get Fresh.
Oh, Get Fresh.
Anytime 6 a.m. to 4 p.m.
And what is the commodity on this?
It's gonna be mixed vegetables.
Okay, what is the temperature?
They're 35 to 40.
Is all of it ready and staged and pre-cooled?
They're all ready. They're all ready and staged. They just they could be picked up if you can get 2 or 3 done today, and then you could finish up in the morning.
Okay, so then we're talking about, Wednesday. Are they receiving on Saturdays?
Yes, you could deliver on Saturday, anytime from 6 a.m. to noon.
Okay, and how much are you paying for this?
Generally covering this around 52.
Well, 52 is 4 picks. Going through DOT week is not gonna work, so I need to be around 65.
65. Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Well, multi-pick going to Chicago from California. Well, I never gonna take multi-pick anyway, but that's what's going on. So the prices went a little bit up. We're probably gonna see surge of the prices tomorrow because today they will realize that it's less trucks on the road due to the DOT week. And of course, we gonna be monitoring what's going on with market. So far, some of the drivers decided to book the loads right away in the morning, while they should have probably waited few hours, especially if you are in the produce areas as watermelons in Florida right now, if you are reefer, Los Angeles. So let's just see really fast. Let me move my zoom and let's go back. Let me just post really fast, but let me show you. If I go to Los Angeles and if I'm gonna go to view all loads, let's see the highest paying load today. We're gonna view in search. Let's organize really fast by the rate. And here it is. 8,500 Los Angeles to Bronx. Well, nobody's gonna be going to the Bronx really. So let's see something a little realistic. So 8,300 going to Bronx, 279 per mile. It's without negotiations. Again, you need to make sure it's not multi-pick. What else is paying Bronx? Well, they have Los Angeles to Milwaukee, 8,000, but probably how many drops? Well, team is required ASAP. Well, for 8,000, not bad. Team required, probably still gonna be few picks. Who is posting logistics dynamics? What else do we have? Well, let's see. Commerce California again to Milwaukee, and they posting the same load. Team is required. Who is posting? Again, another one from Logistics Dynamics, but he's posting for 7,700. So guys, same load posted by same broker for 7,700, 8,000. Pay attention as a dispatcher. As a dispatcher, you need to make sure that you actually check in before you start negotiating. If they already posted for 8, well, don't settle for 77. Ask for at least 85, 86. Dispatch.
Hey, good morning. This is Colby at ATS. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Good. Would you be interested in Los Angeles to Denver, Colorado today?
Well, who is the shipper and receiver?
The shipper is Index Fresh and the receiver is Costco.
Costco. When is it going to be delivered?
Thursday morning, 7 a.m.
Thursday morning, and how much are you paying?
What kind of rate would you need on it? It's 967 miles.
Well, it's a DOT week. We're going to the dead Colorado, so approximately I have to be at 45.
Okay.
It's a commodity one more time. What is the temperature?
Avocados,
And where are we picking up?
Bloomington.
Oh, Bloomington, California. Is it ready? Is it staged, pre-cooled?
It's got a 2 p.m. appointment.
2 p.m. appointment. Okay, I have lots of phone calls. Would you like to put the offer because I need to cover the truck, sir? So call me back if you.
Yeah, how about 4,000?
No, 45 would be my lowest. Thank you. Dispatch.
Hi, good morning. Calling on the LA truck you got posted.
Yes, what do you have, sir?
I got a load, picking up out of Oxnard, going to Oklahoma City, Oklahoma.
When is it delivering?
Final delivery is Friday at 1:30 in the morning. There is a drop in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Sorry, I don't have it in front of me. There's a drop in Albuquerque, I want to say Thursday at 6 in the morning. Let me just make sure of that.
Who are the receivers in both of those cities?
Coming up, I know one of them's an AWG. Yeah, okay, so I'll just go through it. Pick up today at 1 at Oxnard. First drop in Albuquerque is going to be 7:30 in the morning. That's a Cisco. And then final drop is going to be AWG in Oklahoma City at 1:30 in the morning.
And how much are you paying?
I'm looking to cover this. What do I have it posted? I have it posted at 42 right now.
No, unfortunately, with 2 drops and dealing with Cisco there, well, it's challenging. Plus, it's DOT week. Well, we need to be at 53, hon.
How much, sorry?
53.
53.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, not the craziest rate I've heard.
Well, would you like me to tell you 10,000 so you can just simply hang up on me? Well, we can do that. I need 10,000.
Completely understand, like.
I am professional. I am professional. You professional. We're realistic. The next 2 days, you have to pay a little bit more, and it's okay. Your customers understand that you made enough money over the last 2 years, so you can afford it.
Yeah, I wish. No, I completely understand. I'm just trying to mitigate what I've got going here.
Okay, just call me back because
so-
I have 4 people on the hold. So call me back, please. Okay. Thank
That's
you.
fine.
Bye-bye.
Is-
So, and that's what you do. You put them under the pressure. You tell them, well, guys, you need my truck, you pay. And again, do I want to deal with Cisco? No, not. I'm going to find something, one pick, one drop. But I need to go back to work. I got my coffee. It's a beautiful day. Sorry that I'm just recording from my video. I do have Zoom there, but on Zoom, you guys going to hear only conversation maybe later. I can add screenshots of what we were talking about, but love you all. Stay tuned. DOT week, start negotiating, stick to your numbers. Don't go crazy like 10,000, but be realistic. Okay, let's answer one more. Dispatch.
Yes, Tim with Coastal. Looking at your LA truck for if they're still available.
Yes, it is available. What do you have, sir? First, I need to check.
Oh, one more.
Yes, go ahead.
Oh, one second.
So while he's checking, I'm going to find him on my app. Postal, let's see. Postal Logistics from Louisiana. Well, just by the name, I cannot really see if this is the coastal carrier. Okay, coastal carrier. Coastal carrier. Oh, coastal carrier. So if they're coastal carrier, they have their own trucks. That's what we're gonna figure out. I guess we'll wait for a few seconds before we're gonna hang up on him. Freedom Trans is calling us. I guess I made mistake. Look at that. Coastal carrier. I did not pay attention to spelling. So coastal carrier from Medina, Ohio. LLC, No payment activity. What is their DOT number? ANMC. Well, let me check if they have trucks, right? So let's go on the safer. Let's go on safer. Paste, search. They are carrier. They have one unit and they are broker as well. MCS, USDOT, power unit, MC. Wow, fresh produce, one truck. So I see this MC number. Well, this is, let's double check. Licensing. Search. Okay, so what activities they have? They have contract active. They have insurance on the bond common. Well, I don't see the bond for, are they a really broker? Oh, I don't know.
Sorry about that. I was calling to see if you had trucks in, Southern California today.
Yes, we do. I use your MC 704754.
What's that?
What is your MC, sir? Because I need to make sure I can work
378-809.
378
809.
809. Okay, because somebody has the same name, so I found them. Approved. B, you're out of Missouri. What do you have, sir? Well, I guess we're gonna end this call because he's putting me back on hold. But right now, do you see, do we make mistakes as a dispatcher? Yes, so Coastal Carriers LLC, same name. This is a broker out of Troy, Missouri. They registered there. But also we did check on Coastal Carriers LLC as a trucking company with one truck. So do you need to make sure that you pay attention to all of this? Yes, yes, yes. That's why don't make my mistake, which I usually do not do. Well, ask for MC right away, not just by the name. Because do you see how many people use the same name? Well, love you guys. See you soon.